Hello YouTube, it's SunlightGuy75 talking again. This is my next video of my anime toy collection. This time it's all my items for last year's Pretty Cure season, Sweet Pretty Cure. And I start with the transformation items. This is the Cure module. This is the one for Cure Melody and Cure Rhythm. And there are also the fairy tones included, which is Dory for Cure Melody and Rary for Cure Rhythm. If you insert them into the Cure module, you hear the transformation music, and then you hear the introductory speech of the two cures. And there is a second version of this one as well. This came out later during the season. This is the Cure module for Cure Muse. If you've seen this, if you've seen Sweet Pretty Cure, you know that she is not using the Cure module not alone for transformation, but this is also used for her attacks. And so she has her two fairy tones, Teary and Dodori, with her. One of them for transformation and the other one for the attack. But apart from that, this is basically the same module as the first one for melody and rhythm. And as usual, there is a bag for the modules with which you can carry them around. This is something different from the seasons before, because the Cure modules are worn by the Cures on the front of their chest, in their front bows. So this is just for the toys to carry them around, so they don't get lost or don't get dirty or anything. So they don't have this bag on their uniforms. This is a bit different from the seasons before. And as always, there are plastic figures of the Cures. Like already in Hard Catch, these figures don't come with any accessories, but they are still cute. You have Cure Melody, almost completely in pink. And then Cure Rhythm, of course. You have Cure Beat, the third one. And last but not least, Cure Muse. So, nothing special about these figures. They are basically the same as the ones for Fresh Pretty Cure and Hard Catch Pretty Cure. Okay, so much for the transformation items and the figures, and of course it's Pretty Cure. There are attack items as well. This is the first one. This is the Miracle Beltier, which is used by Cure Melody. Completely in pink. And up here is a place where you can insert this fairy tone, which is then used for her attack. And all these fairy tones, they make a sound if you press the bottom of them. Yes. So this is the attack item for Melody. And of course there is one for Cure Rhythm as well. Whoops. This is Cure Rhythm's weapon. This is the Fantastic Beltier. And there's also a fairy tone included as well. each of the fairy tones make a distinct sound. So if you line them all up correctly, you can actually play the solfege scale from low to high, or the other way around, whatever you prefer. And as well as in the anime, you can combine these two toys into these cross rods so that they can do their combined attack. So these toy weapons, they just work like the real ones in the anime. I'm not sure if they really purify anything, but you can try. So, and there is of course a weapon for Cure Beat, which is very big, very heavy. This is her Love Guitar Rod. Or the Soul Rod, depending on how she uses it. And this comes actually with two fairy tones. This is Cure Beat's fairy tone used for transformation. You can insert this one into the Cure module, and then it works the same way as the ones for Melody, Rhythm and Muse. And then there is the green one, which is used for her finishing attack. And you can hear each of them makes a distinct sound. Yes, so no attack item for Cure Muse, because like I said, she uses her Cure module as her attack item. But as always, there's a huge box in the end. The special item, this is the healing chest, which is used for their combined finishing attack. And if you've seen the anime, there is another fairy tone. And I've got this one here. This is the Crescendo fairy tone, which actually is supposed to reside in the healing chest. This came out as a capsule toy. If you press this, it does not make any sound, but it's actually talking. Okay, I didn't understand what it says in the first part, but in the second it's yelling out Crescendo Cure Melody. This is the power-up form of Cure Melody, which I think occurs for the first time in the Sweet Pretty Cure movie. So I think that it would fit pretty well with the healing chest. Okay, so these are all my items that I have from Sweet Pretty Cure. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and I see you in the next one. Bye!